Hi everyone, welcome back to HM Accounting. This is Humaira Mullah, the founder and CEO of HM Accounting, and we are going to be talking about real financial issues that affect any business, small businesses in particular. Today we're breaking down a big misconception that's hurting business owners everywhere, and that is profit is not your cash flow. You might think if my business is profitable, I'm good, right? Wrong. Let's talk about why you can have profit on paper but still be absolutely broke in real life. Okay, so what's the difference between profit and cash flow? Profit is what is left after you subtract your expenses from your revenue. It's what your reports show you at the end of the month or at the end of the year. Cash flow, on the other hand, is the actual money coming in and out of your business. If cash isn't flowing in time, your business suffers even if it's profitable on paper. So now I really do want to give you an example so you understand exactly what I'm saying. Let's say you own a business that made 1 million in sales this year, right? You made R1 million in sales. But your expenses like rent, your salaries, your materials, they totaled 600,000. That leaves you with 400,000 in profit. Absolutely amazing, right? But hold on. What if your customers still owe you 300,000? That means you only have 100,000 rand in the bank and now you can't pay your bills. See the problem. Profit means nothing if cash isn't in your hands. I am glad that I am making you guys think about this. So, what went wrong? Here are some common mistakes that I see with my clients, um, as well as in all of my studies. This is basically what I've realized has led to cash flow crises within a business. Number one is waiting too long to collect payments. If customers take months and months to pay, then your business stops because you still need to meet those expenses, whereas the cash is not in your hands. So, how do you do it? That is a huge problem that I see in a lot of businesses. Plus, no interest is charged on these late payments. So, there's very little incentive for the debtor to settle in time, right? Number two is overspending before that money arrives. So say you have somebody who said that they are going to pay you 400,000 Rand for this service. You've started on the service, you've sent them the invoice, they are still going to pay you. Because you know this money is coming in, what happens? You start spending more money on things, right? Whether it's the staff that you need to do this work, or the materials that you need to purchase, or any of those valuable things, you are now spending money, but you have not received that cash from the sale as yet. And number three is no cash reserves. I know I definitely have to go into a video about this and about emergency funds, but right now, and what you need to know is that unexpected costs are definitely going to pop up. Costs that you didn't think of, they are going to come up, and you need to have an emergency fund that is already tucked away there with your business savings and that's going to cover for these unexpected expenses. Now, I'm not going to give you guys just the problems and obviously not give you the solutions as to how you can fix this problem. So let's fix it, right? Because that's what I'm here to do with you guys. And here's what you need to know. Number one, please, guys, separate your profit from your cash flow. Don't assume that big sales mean big cash. Because remember, even if a sale is big, you could end up with very little money from that sale, dependent on your expenses. Do not forget that. And do not forget to account for all of those expenses. Also, do not forget that you need to consider, when are you getting this money? When are you getting this money? The later you get this money, the less it's actually worth to you. Number two is get paid faster. Set clear payment terms and follow up on any unpaid invoices. So make sure that you are following up on your unpaid invoices, right? Not once, not twice, as many times as you need to. Make sure that it's on paper, whether it's via an email, as well as a text message, as well as phone calls. Make sure you have it. Have the contracts in place that your client or your customer has signed beforehand. So if they default on payment, you have measures that you can take. Also, give them incentives for early payments and definitely penalize them on late payments. Number two is to keep a cash buffer. Always have cash reserves for those unexpected expenses. And number three is to track your cash flow weekly. Do not just look at your profits, check your actual bank balance. So, have you ever been profitable but struggling with cash? Please drop me a comment below. Let's talk about how to actually keep your business afloat. And if you want more business and finance tips, please do subscribe to HM Accounting, hit that like button, turn on your notifications, share with others who may need this information. Thank you so, so very much for your time and for watching this video.